Through the window, I see you waiting. You are smiling, 'cause I'm coming. Your eyes are a story, an ocean of memories, pictures of faces and places.
Dear Rachel, I remember my promise to you
make us feel like we have it all.
that everything will be fixed, and made sure there's always a silver lining in every situation. That there's always
We
us.
have it all. Life is beautiful.
We shared a lot of sad moments, uncertainties, and long hours on the phone working things out. It was you and me against the world. That was our start.
Living and dying, laughing or crying. We have the whole world or have nothing. I know there are long nights, but we'll make it. With every sunrise comes a new life, and all of the things that make us feel like we have it all. All of the times that make us realize we have it all. We have it all. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful.
Despite of the trials, challenges, and disagreements, we still made it to the altar. I thank God for giving you to me as my partner, for inspiring me, for encouraging me whenever I feel down.
Father's love, a wedding dance, New Year's dreams, a toast with friends, a soldier coming home from war, a faith, a hope for so much more. A brand new life, a mother's prayer, shooting stars.
I'm looking forward to be on your side.
A lover's kiss.
I love you, and I'll be your bae, and you'll be my hand forever.
Christmas lights, these are the things.
I commit myself to you in the presence of our Lord God, our families, relatives, and friends. I can't wait to share my life with you as we unfold our life as husband and wife.
Life is beautiful.